Here Akhil Shrivastava. I am going to teach you Maths of 9th Standard Number System. In the previous lecture I have given you the solution of exercise 1.2. Now we will see some decimal numbers, real number and its decimal representation. Real number with its decimal representation. Its decimal representation. Decimal representation is like simply if you divide 10 by 3, then what will you get? 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, never ended. If you divide 2 by 5 by 8, 5 by 8 will divide, then what will you get? Zeros are first of all 0 point, then 1 0 will come here, 8 zeros are 0, then 50 is here, 8 6 are 48, 2, 8 6 are 48, 0, 8 2 are 16, 4, and then 40 is here, and 8 5 are 40. You are getting the remainder 0. 8 5 are 40, then 6 2 5. It is also terminate. It terminate means decimal is 0, then it is a terminating decimal. What is called? Terminating. It is called the terminating decimal. Suppose you divide by 1 by 7. So 1 you divide by 7, what will you get? 0 first, then point will be there, 0 point 7 1 ja. What will you get? 7 1 ja 7, 3, again 1 0, 7 4 ja 28, you will get 2, then again 0, 7 2 ja 14, remainder is 6, then 67 8 ja 56, 7 8 ja 56, 4, and then 7 5 ja 35, remainder is 5, 0 is here, 7 7 ja 49, and you are getting again remainder 1. What is the previous one? Again it is started 7 1 ja, then 4 ja, then 2 ja, like this, so on. So what are you getting? 1 4 2 8 5 7. 1 4 2 8 5 7. After this again this will be, it is not ended. So you are getting it is non-terminating, but sometimes you are getting the same remainder. In this case you are getting same remainder continuously, but here you are getting after some distance, you are getting 1 4 2 8 5 7. 5 places are here. How many are there? 5 places are here. 1 4 2 8 5 7, again 1 4 2 8 5 7. So you will get 1 4 2 8 5 7, 1 4 2 8 5 7, up to so on, infinite times. It is a repeating block, which is called the repeating block. It is called non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. What is called? Non-terminating. It is not terminating. Remainder is not 0. Terminating and non-terminating, repeating, non-terminating repeating, that will be like a non-terminating recurring. You can say that non-terminating. I have told you it is a rational number. Terminating, recurring. It is non-terminating recurring decimal. There is two type of decimal. One is decimal representation terminating and one is non-terminating repeating decimals. And another type is given, which is, these are called the rational. These are called rational. And the number is non-terminating, terminating, non-repeating. Non-terminating as well as non-repeating. Repeating is not there. Then it is called irrational number. What is called? Irrational numbers. For example, 0.110, 1100, then 1100, then 1140, then 11 ... or any number. Like this you can write 0.271, 2711, 27111, 27 up to so on. So it is non-terminating, non-repeating. Or you can write 0.1432576 up to so on, any number, no any sequence. Or you can write any root 2 square root, like 8th standard you will put the square root of 2, square root of 3, square root of 5, any number. Or pi. Pi actually it is 22/7, but it is not terminating, it is not taken exact number. That's why pi in the form of pi, it is an integer. In this case it is a rational, but pi is irrational. Value of pi is 3.145 up to millions. This is pi value, you will get it is a millions, trillions decimal places. So that's why it is a non-terminating, non-repeating, and it is taken as a irrational number. So how will you change? How will you write the irrational number or rational number in the